Hi Yvonne, I just wanted to walk through your practice problems. So it looks like you set it up correctly. We just need to add the personalized release so that way whenever they submit the practice problems, the answer key will open up for them. And we need to change the release key on the answers just because it looks like it's the same one from Unit 2. So if the students were to submit the Unit 2, they'd also get the answers for this Unit 3 practice problem. So we're going to change that. We're going to set up the personalized learning access. And yeah, everything else looks good. So just here in the practice problems, we're going to click the little pencil to edit it. Under the Restrict Access tab, we're going to change it from U2 to U3. So the other one was U2 for Unit 2. This one will be U3. And then so for Unit 4, 5, and 6, we would just change out that number so that way it's not opening up any of the other ones and it's just focusing in on that one unit. So we're just we changed out that number, save and return to the course. And then in the little gear icon up here at the top, we're going to click that, come down to Personalized Learning Designer. And what we're going to do is add a rule. Rule name, we're going to do Unit 3 Practice Q&A. The name really doesn't matter, just as long as we know what we're doing. So just to specify that this one is now for Unit 3 as opposed to Unit 2. For the event, we're going to say activity or quiz or assignment submitted. We want it to be an assignment. Activity is going to be Unit 3 practice problems. And we're going to click Add. Now we're going to come over to Actions. And select action type is going to be Unlock Release Code. Then we're going to click Add. And now the release code was lowercase u, 3, macro, and save. Then we're just going to save this out. And so now once they submit the Unit 3 practice problems, the Q&A will unlock for the student. And so once we have the Unit 4 and the later units, we can go in and just recreate the same thing and we'll just change out the number each time. So this was for macro, and then let's do it for micro. So Unit 3. Little pencil to edit. Change the restrict access from U2 to U3. And macro, micro password is irrelevant, just as long as we save it. Gear, Personalized Learning Designer, add role, Unit 3, practice, Q&A, event type, assignment submitted, it's going to be an assignment, practice problems, actions, unlock, add, U3 macro. Save. Oh, I forgot to click the little add button here. Just double checking the action and save. So now we're good for Unit 3.